Okay, so this is the image. I really love this art. So as you see, okay, so this is the GPT Cell Generative AI Art for Adobe Stock Marketplace. So it will help you as an agent to pick a style, a category, brainstorm ideas with some of the categories that are available on Adobe Stock. So now let's see the first image I generated using this GPT. Okay, so here is the GPT. The core idea is that the GPT will ask you for a category available on Adobe Stock Marketplace. So you will pick, for example, I pick the number 6, that is food and drink. Then it will brainstorm some creative ideas for the food and drink category. So, for example, vintage tea party, fusion cuisine fest, coffee art magic. So I picked the number 4, that is coffee art magic, intricate latte in a cozy cafe sitting. So excellent choice, coffee magic concept. Now let's get some extra details. Excellent choice. We'll focus on the coffee art magic concept. Now let's add some extra details and description to this idea. It's unique, visually appealing. Consider aspects like the setting, the cup saucer, the latte art design, additional elements. So I pick up a cup coffee art magic on an ancient table, coffee beans, a window showing moon craters. The location is a moon house settlement. So finally, the setting, the cup saucer, latte art design, additional elements, and finally, the GPT for Cell Generative AI Art asked me for a art style. So I picked 7 cinematic, and this is my result. Okay, so now let's see why to sell AI generated images on Adobe Stock. The idea is to grow with tools and strategy. As a prelude. Okay, so first, something very important. We are pioneers in all of this. It's an intersection of using imagination to create art using artificial intelligence. So it's a new field. The big why on Adobe Stock for selling artificial intelligence art. Generation C are native digitals, and brands that all use Photoshop need good quality images. Adobe Stock algorithm works by ranking with top sales. For example, a brand needs an image for Facebook or Twitter post. It can filter the most liked and sold images, so they are acquiring an image that works at a marketing and business level. Screen time will only grow, so the need for good images, video, music, audio will be a common and required coin for digital builders and companies. Okay, so now let's see my honest earnings. Okay, so these are my honest earnings. I plan to be consistent and publish 5 images per day, all days of the year, and create tools and strategy for selling more. A strategy for selling. My personal strategies for selling is continuous learning, always reading the official docs on Adobe Stock because they are all time updated because it's a very new field. Be consistent. Publish at least 5 images daily, all the days of the year, so you create a good habit. Be active in the community and create content to empower the artificial intelligence generated content industry. Use the images you generate. I use the images for driving traffic to my website, ascendance.dev, and create blog posts. My project is a Learn to Earn Academy. Links description. So here are the categories. So the idea is that the GPT will help you pick a category, for example, an animal, an architectural, wonder, a business and finance, for beverage, for environmental insights, emotional. So you will pick a category, and the idea is to help you in the process of generating a good quality image by you adding the most important details of the image and using a methodology for creating and extracting the title and the labels as keywords, so you can optimize your time and you can produce the more quality in the less time. Okay, so finally let's do a live test of the GPT. Okay, so pick a category for Adobe Stock. Okay, so we will pick environment, the number 3. Okay, so the next step, the the GPT will give you a brainstorm of some ideas. We'll pick the number 8, the northern lights illuminating a snowy forest. So we pick the number 8. We will write Finland, aurora borealis, northern lights, snowy forest with big pines trees. Finally, we're picking the style. In this case, we want a cinematic. Okay, so this is the image. It's important to say that you can regenerate. Maybe not the first try is the best. You can try a couple of times. Okay, so this is the image. I really love this art. So as you see, this is the suggested title, and these are the keywords. So you can first you need to this image to be able to sell on a marketplace like Adobe stock. You will need to upscale using artificial intelligence so it can has more quality, and but the result is very beautiful. The idea is to create a methodology so you can have a title, the keywords, and a good image with the best practices of describing the image, adding a style. And hope you like this video, and the link if you want to try this GPT for free is in the description of this video. Okay, so thank you.